Hi everyone, today we are doing lesson 4 from module 6 of VMath level E. So turn to page 19 to follow along and take notes. All right, here's our vocabulary for today. We have a right angle, an angle that is equal to 90 degrees. So this is a right angle, and you can see that it has that little square in the corner that indicates that it's 90 degrees. An acute angle is any angle smaller than 90 degrees. So you can always measure, and then even sketching a 90-degree angle, you can easily see that this is less than 90. So that is an acute angle. The next one is obtuse angle, and an obtuse angle is an angle greater than 90 degrees. So again, you can see that that is greater than 90. You can even just sketch a little 90-degree angle like that, and you can see that it is greater than 90. So that's an obtuse angle. So these are the three main angles: right angle, equal to 90 degrees, an acute angle, an angle smaller than 90 degrees, and an obtuse angle, an angle greater than 90 degrees. So then if you look at it with triangles, you can see a right triangle is a triangle that has one right angle. So you can see the right angle right here with the little square. Remember, that indicates a right angle or 90 degrees. An acute triangle is a triangle that has three acute angles. So all of the angles here are smaller than 90 degrees. And then an obtuse triangle is a triangle that has one obtuse angle. So you can see this angle right here is obtuse, it's greater than 90. All right, so let's look at these in review. So number 1, letter A, you can see the little angle box, or the box in the angle right there, which means it is a right angle. Part B, you can see this angle, and it is going past that 90-degree mark, because if you even just did a little dotted line to make a 90 degree, you can see that it's more. So this is an obtuse angle. And then here, again, if you put a little dotted line for about 90 degrees, you can see that this is less than that. So that is an acute angle. All right, number 2, again, you have the little square right here in the corner to indicate a right angle, which means 90 degrees, which means this is a right triangle. Here, number 3, we have this angle, and you can tell that that is more than 90 degrees, that one angle, so that is an obtuse triangle. And then number 4, you can see all these little angles right here. Those are all less than 90 degrees. They're all less than a right angle. So this is an acute triangle. So this says, in an obtuse triangle, one of the angles is an obtuse angle. The other two angles are, well, if we look at these two angles in an obtuse, we always have one that is more than 90, but that means that the other two are acute. This says in a right angle, one of the angles is a right angle. The other two angles are, those are also acute. They are not more than 90. So this says, identify each triangle by its angles, right acute, right, or obtuse. Number 7, we can see that we have that one obtuse angle, so this is an obtuse triangle. Here, number 8, immediately we see we have that little square, that right angle, so this is a right triangle. And then number 9, all three of these, none of those are more than 90 or 90, so that is acute triangle. So number 10 and 11, it says sketch each triangle. Well, a right triangle, when you sketch it, I always just make a right angle and then finish the triangle. So there we have a right one. And then it helps again, obtuse. Well, we need one of the lines and it has to be more than 90. So I'm just gonna make, oops, that was a little crooked there. That angle is more than 90. So then I'm just gonna finish that off. All right, so again, we have a right triangle. That is a triangle with one right angle. An acute triangle, a triangle that has 3 acute angles. So all 3 of those are acute. They're less than 90. And an obtuse triangle is a triangle that has 1 obtuse angle. So this angle, only one of the angles is more than 90. All right, you're going to complete page 21 on your own. Make sure to use your resources, rewatch the video if you need to, ask for help. Good luck.